Good morning, children. Today we are going to see that overall view of power sharing. First thing we need to know about the topic power sharing. What is power sharing? In that answer is in the topic itself. Sharing the power. It's called as a power sharing. How they are sharing. So we are going to see through that Belgium and Sri Lanka. First thing, power sharing. In democracy, all power does not rest with one organ of the government, which means that all powers does not rest with any one organ. So it doesn't depend upon the one person. It is based on that sharing of power among legislature, executive, and judiciary. So these three things are the very important in that form of democracy. It leads the democratic country. So first thing, the Belgium and the Sri Lanka. So now we are going to see about the Belgium. So Belgium is located in Europe. It is very smaller in size, like it is smaller in area than the Haryana, the state of Haryana. So these are the borders, the locations. So it has border with France, Netherlands, German, and that Luxembourg. So these are the boundaries of Belgium. It has 1 crore populations and half of the population of Haryana. And the important keywords in the topic is the ethnic composition. Ethnic is nothing but a population subgroup with a national and cultural traditions. So this is the division. It's reflecting that division of the country. What are the division of the Belgium is? These are the three things: the Flemish, Wallonia, and Belgian. So this is the various things. So 59% of Flemish people, and Wallonia 40%, and Belgian 1%. The Flemish people speaking Dutch, Wallonia speaking French, and Belgian speaking German. So the capital of Belgium is Brussels. Here there is a different things in it. Here 80% people speak French and 20% are Dutch speaking peoples. So this is the difference in that overall country and that capital city. For that reasons, here we can see that the majority is French people community was relatively rich and powerful. So even though here in the Brazil 20% of in Brazil, so that the 20% peoples were very rich and powerful in Belgium. See, this is that the key points of this topic. That is the 80% French people, French speaking people, and 20% Dutch speaking people. Even though French has that as rich and powerful in Brazil, but overall country Dutch speaking people was 59%. So they are the dominant group in the Brazil. Here see can that the Dutch speaking community who got the benefit of economic development and education much later. So this is the main reasons to the fight started in that country. So see here, this lead to tensions between the Dutch speaking and French speaking community during 1950s and 1960s. Now we are going to see about the Sri Lanka. The same things about the Sri Lanka. There are some divisions in the country also. The first thing, Sri Lanka is an island. We know that it is a few kilometers apart from the Tamil Nadu. It has 2 crore of populations, about the same as in Haryana. What are the difference in the country Sri Lanka is the language problem. Here the two kinds of peoples are there. One is the Sinhala speakers and the Tamil speakers. So Sinhala speakers are 74% and Tamil speakers are 18% only. So among them there are two subgroups, that is a native Tamil natives of the country are called the Sri Lankan Tamils. Their percentage is 13%, and rest of those who came from the India as a plantation work during colonial period are called Indian Tamils. So they went from our Indian country and they settled down during that colonial period. They called as a Indian Tamil. So the second thing is that Sri Lankan Tamil are concentrate in the north and east of the country. So they are only looking forward the objective these directions, and most of the singular speaking people are Buddhist, and most of the Tamils are Hindu or Muslims. Apart from these religions, there is one more religion is that Christian. 7% people are followed the Christian, who are both Tamil and Sinhala. These peoples are also followed this religion called Christians.